The speed at which deals are closed is critical to the success of any business. Because efficiency is a competitive advantage, contracts, agreements, and documents are now being sent and signed electronically. That's why RMail's all-in-one service has an e-signature feature built right into it. RMail is the fastest and easiest way to get legally binding sign-off on any document. When you use RMail, your deals are simply closed quicker. Whether multi-party signatures, typed text, or hand-drawn signatures are needed, RMail gives you the ultimate advantage in proficiency and competitiveness. As long as the signer is online, they can sign from anywhere on the planet. You send, they sign, move on. No matter what platform you currently use to send your emails, getting a document signed with RMail is extremely easy and requires no additional software on the receiver's end. You compose an email message like any other, attach the document needing a signature, and press the Send Registered button. Choose eSign and then Send. That's it. The recipient receives the document and is guided through a simple eSign process. It's intuitive and easy. You receive a notification whenever the document is signed, along with an update on other pending signers. RMail does not need to store your signed documents like other providers, yet can still authenticate them at any time when requested. Once the document is signed, you and the signer are emailed the final signed copy, which includes a complete sign-off audit trail, timestamps, and IP-based signer authentication. And as the sender, you'll also receive back your registered receipt record certifying delivery, time of delivery, and exact message content. With RMail's eSign option, getting documents signed has never been easier. Empower your email with RMail.